Good morning, students. Yesterday we started median. I told you how to find the median when group frequency distribution table is given to us. Here also one table is given to us, and this question is related to 100 policy holders whose age is 18 or more than 18 but less than 60 years. It is a condition, and he is saying that there are two policy holders. Out of 100, two policy holders are there whose age is less than 20, means 18 to 20. Because below 18 we cannot take policy. 6 policy holders are there whose age is below 25. 24 policy holders are there whose age is below 30. Like this it is given to us, and he is saying find the median age. You know, to find median there should be group frequency distribution table, but here is no table is given to us like 20 to 25, 25 to 30. It is not given. He is saying below 20, below 25, below 30. For this we have to make first table. How we will make the table? First we will write class intervals. How we will make intervals? See the gap. Gap is of 5, 5. So first below 20 means we will also go below how much? 5. So first interval should be 15 to 20. But because it is the related to policy this question, so either we will write 18 to 20 or better it is you write below 20 as it is. Below 20 means understood it is 18 to 20. Then gap of 5, 5, 20 to 25, 25 to 30. See, gap is of 30, up to 60 we will go. 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60. See how many entries are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then here also 9 entries should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now we will write frequency. Frequency, how we will write? We want to know the policy holders whose age is below 20, and they are 2. So we will write here 2 as it is. Then 20 to 25. Below 20, 2 policy holders. Below 25, 6 policy holders. These 2 are also in it. And we want to know 20 to 25. So we will take the difference of this one, that is 6 minus 2, 4. 4 policy holders are there, below 20 2 are there, and 20 to 25 4 are there. That's why here is 6. Now I want to know 25 to 30. See what is in front of 25? 6. And what is in front of 30? Below 30? 24. Take the gap of this. Gap is 18. So here should be 18. In front of 30, 24. In front of 35, 45. And now take the gap of this. 5 minus 4, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 21 will be here. Similarly, 35 to 40. Take the difference of this. 8 minus 5, 3. 7 minus 4, 3. 33 will be here. Now take the gap of this. 9 minus 8, 1. 8 minus 7, 1. 92 minus 89, 3. And then 98 minus 92, 6. 100 minus 92, 98, 2. And now you will do the total of this. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 and 8, 14, and 1, 15. 15 and 3, 18. 19. 19 and 3, 22. 28, 30. 3. 3 and 1, 4. 4 or 2, 6. 6 or 3, 9 or 1, 10. So in this way we have written in the form of frequency distribution table, means class intervals and frequency. Is it clear? And now we will start our sum as we did yesterday. The first step of finding median is cumulative frequency. How we will write CF? First entry as it is. Now add next to it. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 18, 24. 24 plus 21, 45. 45 plus 3, 78. 89, 92, 98, 100. It was given also as in question here was below 20, then CF was given to us here, but I have written again. You see this number and this number is coming same, means up to here everything is correct. Now first step is find CF. First step of median is find CF. After CF we will write what is N here. Here now N is 100, sum of frequency. Then N by 2. N by 2 is 100 by 2, that is 50. After CF we will write N by 2. N by 2 we will write. Now N by 2 will tell us that which is the median class. This N by 2 will help. What is N by 2? 50. See, 50 comes in which number? In 250 is not there, in this also not, in this also not, in this number. In this number 50 comes. This is the first number. This is the nearest to 50. All others are also having 50, but this is the number which is more nearest to the 50. So this is our median class. Therefore, median class is equal to 35 to 40. Now what is in this class interval, what is the lower limit? 35. And what is the class size? 5. And what is the frequency of median class? See, this is median class and this is its frequency. This is the frequency, means F. And this is the CF of median class. But we will take CF of preceding class. This is our CF, which we will use. CF, we will not take CF of median class. We will take CF of preceding class. Preceding to median class. Now, what is the formula of median? Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. This is the formula. Now put the value. What is L here? 35. This, then we will write numerator and denominator. N by 2 is 50. CF is 45. Gap is of 5. F is 33. In this way we will put the value. 35 plus. Now see, 50 minus 45, 5. 5 5s are 25. Plus by 33. Now you can either take LCM or you can divide. So what will come? You can take LCM. 33 will be the LCM. 35 into 33. 35 3s are 105. 105 means 1155 plus 25. And now add this 1180 by 33. And when you will divide, what will come? 1180. 33 3s are 99. And now 33 6s are 198, means 5s are 33 5s are 165. And now subtract, what you will get? 10 minus 5 5, 8 minus 6 2, decimal here. If you will take 7s up, it will go 35.7. So we will write 35.7 years, because this sum was related to median age. Okay, thank you.